Okay, this is super exciting. Checking on the chickens today after we've been house sitting for a week. And we have our first egg. Look at that. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. But we have our first egg and they didn't eat it. Today we are saying goodbye to the roosters. This is the first time I've ever butchered or cleaned any animals that I've either hunted or produced myself. So this is a learning experience all the way around. We have a scalding pot with hot water for plucking them. I've covered our plastic table with garbage bags just to make cleanup a little bit easier. And we have a cooler full of ice. This cooler will now be the designated chicken cooler because I will not be putting any other sort of food in here. Garden is doing so well. I actually got a cucumber. I was not expecting to get a cucumber today, or like at all for the garden. This is my cucumber plant right here. And it's planted really late in the season. Cucumber. I also planted some spinach and some mustard greens and some peas for a late fall harvest. Those are all doing really well. And the beets are ready to harvest. Those are all coming out of the ground. I harvested some of my fingerling potatoes. You can see they're dying back, which means they're ready to pull out. So I will have to do a video of a huge harvest of all of these. So it is August 18th. August 19th. I think it's August 19th, something like that. We woke up this morning to frost on our cars. I purposely did not look at my garden. I had to go volunteer with Little Britches. I was helping out with the kids' rodeo in town, so I left. And I didn't look at my garden, and I'm just checking out the damage now, and it's not great. Who gets frost in the middle of August? Me, apparently. Right off the bat, I knew my cucumbers and zucchini were not going to fare well. The leaves are crispy. The base of the plant seems okay. And some of the zucchini that was growing on there seems okay. It's not mushy. They're dry. So yeah. My tomatoes, which made such a bounce back from the late frost we had in June, they're also not mushy. Holding out hope for them. My delicata squash that was doing so well. Like, it took so long to germinate and it was getting so big. Cucumber seems all right. I might definitely do a few cucumbers again. And then the spinach, the mustard green, the peas that I planted for an August or a fall garden. They, of course, they love the cold. Carrots also love the cold. They did okay. Cabbage is fine. I actually have a head of cabbage I need to pick soon. Beans are another cold weather thing, and I harvested a bunch of beans yesterday, and I'm happy that I did because they didn't fare too well either. Sad days. Come here, let me look at you. You little muddy dog. Can you sit? Bella, sit. Oh, don't roll. Oh, come on. Now here, I'll clean myself off. You're horrible. Pretty girl. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button. You don't realize for a new YouTuber how much this means to me every time I see a notification pop into my inbox. So thank you all for the encouragement, and I hope to have another video out for you soon.